In this video tutorial, we will make a clock using C++. So first make a new file. Name it clock.cpp. Include header file has include. IOStream. Has some additional header file has include standard library.h, std, lib.h, unistate.h, using namespace std, main function, here we have hour, minute and second. End hour, minute, second. When our second value is 60, then the minute credit 1. When our minute value is 60, then hour, minute credit 1. So first we will declare from 000 hour, minute, second. A while loop that will always true, that will not exit from our loop, so we will use while true. Cout hour, minute and second. Second plus plus, this means second value is graded 111. Let's use some conditional statement. If second is equal to 60, here we are comparing two things, second value and 60. Then the min value is graded 1, min plus plus, minute plus plus, right? And second value will reset. Second is equal to 0. Now second value is 0. Now minutes done. Minute is equal to 60. Hour credit 1 and minute is resetted and minute value will 0. This will also for apply will on the hour. Hour is equal to 12 and hour is equal to 0. So let's include we have include the header file. Sleep 20 for each, 20 for second, 20 for minute and 20 for hour. Let's build it. Control Shift B. Yes, our program is running. 01, 02, 03, 4. Here we will use system CLS to clear that the previous display. Look, here is 0 and then 1, 2, 3. after we will use the after the bracket system cls in double quotation cls semicolon run build task. Look here, yes, 0 1 2 3 4, right? So let's some bug this. Here will some gap between hour, minute and second. Right, 1 2 3. It's run like the digital clock. Let's change the second value is 57, minute is 59, (57, 58, 59, 60). Here here is resetted. Our value doesn't credit 1. Look here, if r is equal to 12, here we are transfer the value. Here is need to bracket to equal to symbol. Right now our program will execute properly. Yes, 57, 58, 59, 60. Yes, our value credit 1 and minute will reset it 0 and second 4. So let's decorate this. Set star 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 semicolon end line. Copy this and I paste that after the hour, minute and second. Oh, here's after that we will use end line after this out second. Run this, Control Shift P. Right now our program is clear. Here is error. Here it doesn't use to less than symbol after second. Right now it's okay. Again run this. So, yes, clear. Line 1. Let's give 2 dots between hour, minute and second. Minute and second reset at 0. Run from beginning. 0 1 2 3 4 7 8 9 10. Okay, right. Give some dots between hour, minute and second. Hour and minute. Yes, it's what? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,